In this tutorial, we will learn how to create maintenance reminders for your vehicles. Reminders can be created from the web as well as the mobile app. To create reminders, first navigate to the reminder screen and click on the Add New Reminder button. Select the vehicle for which you want to create the reminder. Multiple vehicles can be selected if the same reminder needs to be created for more than one vehicle. Select the service task for which you want to create a reminder. New service tasks can be added from the Services screen. Here, we will create a reminder for the task oil change for the vehicle Aisha. Next, enter the mileage or the days that this task should be due after. In our case, we'd like to perform an oil change service after every 5,000 miles. You could enter a time period after which a particular task may be due. In such a case, fill out the number of days that this reminder should be due after. For this tutorial, we will only create a distance reminder. A reminder threshold is how soon do you want this reminder notification to show up. For instance, we want the reminder notification to show up 50 miles before the service is due. The last service is automatically populated if you already have a service logged in for this particular task. If you don't, you can enter when the last service was performed. Once all the information is filled in, click the Save button. That's it, your reminder is set. You can see a list of reminders and when they are due on the main reminder screen. The odometer logged at the time of recording fill-ups, services, expenses, or starting-ending mileages is checked against the reminder. If the mileage crosses the threshold of the reminder set, a notification will show up in the bell icon at the top or in the notifications section on the dashboard. Just like we created a service reminder, you can also create reminders for any other renewals like insurance, tax reminders, etc. This can be done from the Renewals tab. Reminders due will also show up as notifications on the phone. A mobile app gives you complete control over your reminders. You can view, create, and edit reminders from the mobile app as well. That's all for now. Thanks for watching.